Hey everyone, I am starting this video with the before because I am going to be showing you how I'm doing a DIY to solve a storage problem that I have with my decal stickers for my whiteboard. And I have the Disney Princess Strong at Heart collection whiteboard, and I love all of my different stickers, but the only problem is I kind of downsized from a big whiteboard to this one, which I'm happy with, but I don't have anywhere to put all of these stickers, so they're all kind of layered on one another right now. And all of my different like little magnets and things are just everywhere. So I haven't had a chance to switch everything out, and what we're going to be doing today is creating a storage book for all of the decals, recycling our old empty sticker sheets from sticker books. So stay tuned. All right, this is going to be a really fast and easy and fun DIY. And if you are already into happy planning, no matter if it's like you're just starting out and you only have a few sticker sheets or sticker books, maybe only one roll of washi, then you will have the materials to do this project. So I will just show you what I have here. I just have this little ribbon. You can use string, whatever you have, just something to tie. I am using this width of washi, and we're going to be binding everything together with this. You will need a hole punch, just a regular one. And then you'll want to have some used up sheets of stickers. So you can see that I have 4 sheets here, which should be enough for all of my decals, but I can certainly find another empty sheet if I need more. And the cool thing about this is these are all sticky sticker back on the sheets, so that you could actually use this to make a traveling sticker book, or just select stickers you want to use and place them, because you just have the sticky back. So you don't have to use it for decals, but I'm using it for decals because it'll work for that. So you'll gather those together. And then just to protect my sticker sheets a little bit more, I wanted to have some thin film. And so this is actually the film that you get that is on the accessory packs or the mega books that kind of separates the sticker side from the other side. So I just have one of these. This is totally optional. I just wanted something to protect my decals. So that is what I have there. And that's really all we need, besides all of our different little decals. So as you can see, I've kind of grouped them already. I've got quotes and days, not days, but months of the year, as well as little icons and things like that. So I've just taken them and kind of grouped them together, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first step is going to be to take the extra sticker page, this little top layer here, just peel it off just like that, and you'll have a blank sticker back. Okay, so I have all of my sheets ready, and just to make sure that everything's kind of clean and clear. And the next step is going to be to assemble everything, and what you're going to do is to bind this with your washi tape. So I'm going to just open this washi tape. This is one of the Happy Planner washi tapes, I'm pretty sure. And I'm just going to do like that. So, and you're going to turn it over. And just kind of hold everything in place and put the washi in place. And then we're gonna take our hole punch. Just like that. Oops. Make sure the hearts are the same way. And you can cut your washi if you want. I'm just gonna fold it over because it's easier. But you can see that we have that on the front. And I think I'm just gonna go over it one more time just to make the binding a little thick. So we're gonna do enough to go all the way forward and back. And the reason I pre-punched it is really just to leave a guide for making sure that I have my hole in the same place when I do the final punch. So just kind of be holding your pages together while you do this. It's kind of easier if you have more pages than I do. Okay. There we go. And you'll see that just going over that washi again really made it easier to bind. Now, if you don't have washi to do this, you could probably use any type of tape. Even just like regular masking tape would work. So now we're gonna go back and find that guide that we punched. And I can still feel it underneath the washi tape. And I need to clean out my hole punch. I've been using it more than I thought. Do you guys forget to empty your punches? Because I sure do. Now, it looks like confetti all over my desk, but that's okay. I'll clean it up later. Here we go. Okay, so we've got our center punched and we have our book in place, but we want to make sure we can keep it in place. So we are going to do a ribbon to tie this together. So I just had this spare ribbon lying around from holiday stuff, and sometimes I get pretty ribbons and I'm like, or on gifts or things, and I'm like, how am I going to reuse this? Well, you can use it for this. So we're just going to tie a bow at the top. It doesn't have to be fancy. Ta-da! Now the really fun part begins, which is getting to put my decals onto the sticker pages. And as you see, they cling just perfect. And here I have my finished reusable decal book, and I'm realizing this is almost like an organize with me video as much as a plan with me, or a DIY video. But I think that sometimes the best DIYs are the ones that really like solve problems that you're having. So for me, I had a problem with where was I going to put all of the reusable decals for my whiteboard so that I could enjoy using them over and over. And now I have a solution to that, and I was able to also recycle some things like these old sticker pages, some old ribbon, and just use a little bit of washi tape and create something that I can really enjoy. And what's nice is if I collect more decals, I can make more little books like this. And I know that they're gonna fit in my regular Happy Planner like sticker storage boxes because I have a spot for them and the one over by my whiteboard. So this will be perfect. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you are planning to do something like this, maybe you're making a little set of stickers or decals for a friend, and just it's a kind of a nice way to package it all together so that it stays together. You could even kind of use this method to do like larger sticker books. I think if you did do this for, like, say you had like 30 sheets or something, what I would do is wait on doing like the washi till you could stack them all up and you'd already pre-punched them, and then I would probably punch both here and here and then tie the ribbon through like that just to get it a little bit more secure, or maybe even have two ribbons, because this is sort of the binding instrument is the bow here. That's what's keeping this together. So that is my finished DIY decal storage book. I hope you all enjoyed this. I will be back next Wednesday. I'll have another opera themed monthly plan with me, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, check my Instagram. I have a giveaway going on in the month of January, so you can follow me on Instagram, like that post to enter. And we're just doing some fun squad life stuff giveaway for the new year, so check that out at Valkyrie Plans, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye!